Okay, so we will continue from where we left last time. Okay, so if we have a salt side somewhere like this, if we have a salt side like here we have one salt side, we will have to turn the cube to right. Okay, now we will have to see this edge piece color. Okay, and then we will have to see that which center it matches, this side center or the back side center. So let's see, this is right here, its color is blue. Let's check over here, and this center is matching this color. Okay, so when the right side center matches the edge color and we have a salt side on our left side, then we have to run the following algorithm: R2 U prime F B prime, R2 F prime B U prime, and R2. And now a cube will be solved. We will just repeat this algorithm. I'm just making it again. Okay, so when we have a solid side on our left and this edge is matching the right side center, then we have to run the following algorithm: right side 2 times, up side anti-clockwise, front side clockwise, back side anti-clockwise, right side 2 times, front side anti-clockwise, back side clockwise, up layer anti-clockwise, and then right side 2 times, and a cube will be solved. Now we will see another case. Just making the case. Okay, so here is the case. When we have a solved side, okay, then we have to turn to the right, and whenever the center color is matching the back side center, okay, and the solved side is on our left, then we will have to run the following algorithm: R2 U F B prime, R2 F prime B prime U R2. I will just make the case again and repeat. Okay, so whenever we have the solid side on our left side and this edge color is matching the back side center, then we will have to run the following algorithm: right 2 times, up side clockwise, front side clockwise, back side anti-clockwise, right 2 times again, front side anti-clockwise, back side clockwise, up side clockwise, and then right side 2 times. Okay, and a cube will be solved. Now we have a third case. So here is a third case. When we see this side, we don't see any solved sides. So what should we do? We will have to check any of the sides' edge. So like I'm checking this sides, like this side. I'm on this side. We will have to see this edge color. Okay, it is blue. And if this edge color matches on the back, like blue and blue matches, like this edge color is matching on the back. Okay, so we will have to run the following algorithm to just make sure this should match on the back side And when you turn the cube to the left, this edge color should also match to the back side. So if both the edges are matching to its back sides, centers, then we will have to run the following algorithm. M2 U prime, M2 U2, M2 U prime, and then finally M2, and our cube will be solved. I'll just make the case again. Okay, so when we have this edge matching the back side center color, and when we turn to the left, and when we have this edge matching to the back side center, and this is true right now, so we will have to run the following algorithm. M2, that is this layer 2 times, so this middle layer 2 times, middle layer 2 times upside anti-clockwise, then middle layer 2 times upside double time, then middle layer 2 times upside anti-clockwise, and then finally middle layer 2 times, and our cube will be solved. So now we have our last final case to solve the whole Rubik's cube. So I'm just making that case. Just 2 minutes, guys. This is a difficult case to make. My cube popped. Sorry. I'm just making the case. It is quite difficult to make this case. So sorry for taking some time. But what can we do? It takes time. And then finally, okay, so here is our case. When we have no solved sides on this side, so we have no solved sides over here, okay, and this edge color is not matching to the back side center color. So this is red and this is green, and red and green don't match, and we then turn to the left, and this edge color does not match to the backside center. That is red over here, the backside center, and the edge color is green. So red and green don't match. Okay, so what do we have to do? We will have to run one of the algorithms of the first case or second case. Okay, I told you what was the first case and the second case. Okay, after running that, so like for example, I am running the algorithm of my first case. So I'm just running it. Okay, I have ran it, and now we will have somewhere a solved side. Okay, and then you can just turn and see whatever case it is. It would be the case. It would be from the first or second case. Then this case, when you like have a solved side. So like I like just showed you that how do we have to solve that final case, fourth case. So like we just have to run the first or the second case's algorithm, and then we will have a case from the first or second case. So like over here, this is the first case thing. Okay, so like because this center is this edge color is matching this center color. So like if you want, I can explain the this again. Just explain. I have to make this case again. So how should I make it? idea. This should be here. Just making the case, guys. No need to worry. Yeah. Just a second, guys. I'm making the case again so that you don't have any doubts to solve the Rubik's Cube. I will make you solve the Rubik's Cube using these tutorials. If you're not able to solve the Rubik's Cube, then what is the use of these tutorials, right? There's no use of these tutorials if you're not able to solve the Rubik's Cube after seeing all the tutorials. So I'm just making the case. And finally okay, so when you have a case like this that you don't have any solid side, and if you see a edge, it does not matches the backside center color, and when you turn to the left and see this edge color and it does not match to the backside center color, so what you can do, you can run any of the algorithm from how did you solve the first case using the algorithms I told you. So how did you solve the first case and second case using the algorithms I told you, right? So you can choose from both of these algorithms one algorithm and run it. So I'm running the first case algorithm. Okay, then you will have a case that I told you before only how to solve. Okay, so here we have a case. If you run the first case or the second case algorithms, you will have a case that I told you to solve, how to solve. So here we have a case that we know how to solve. This in this case we have to we have to run the second case algorithm, because this center is matching to the backside center color, this edge color is matching to the backside center color, right? And this is a solve side. Okay, so I'll just run the algorithm to solve the Rubik's Cube. Okay, done. So this was our final part, how to solve the Rubik's Cube, and we have learned to solve the Rubik's Cube. This is so cool, right? So thank you guys. If you like the video, don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do it. And press the notification bell too, so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe and stay healthy. And keep watching my videos. Please subscribe too. Bye.